Welcome to my channel. My name is Jossie, and in this video we will have the home tour of Joanne's house. In this house it is observed how the structural elements are preserved, and it is decorated with recovered pieces, antique furniture and flower prints to create a cottage-style environment. The cottage-style interior design has a markedly English decorative accent with a romantic and nostalgic vision of the rural life. Here, emphasis is placed on traditional crafts and popular decorative styles. Its great affinity with the environment means that the materials are usually natural and in neutral colors, for example, wood of the floors and stone on the façade. The cottage style in the living room is cozy, with sofas are soft, the furniture is slightly worn and nothing is pristine. The style is neat and charming, with emphasis on layering. A modern but charming dining room. What do you think? The kitchen is chocolate colored. Not everything has to be white. Simple design in wooden furniture is the most sought after, but you must follow your personality, and modern technology must be cleverly hidden. The bathroom also evokes the past with simple pieces and matching pattern wallpaper. the cottage-style bedrooms, matching patterns are used, highlighting the bed with windows and blankets as the focal point to give it layered texture, making them more welcoming.